Have you ever had your hands full but you had to send that email before you forgot? Well, now Copilot and Microsoft Edge to help you save time by replying and composing emails. So, you received your email, click the Copilot icon at the edge of your browser. This will then open up a chat box that you can ask it to reply to your email. And just like that, Copilot will create a reply that you can copy, paste, and edit, saving you precious time. But what if you had to create an email from scratch? Again, click the Copilot icon at the edge of your browser. Instead of chat, click compose this time. Use this box to describe in as much details as you can the content of your email, as this will help increase Copilot's accuracy. Choose the tone you want, format, length. Just like that, Copilot will create an email that you can edit, include your details, and send. For more tips like this, please like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments ways that Copilot has saved you time.